Greetings, my name is Chung and this is my team member Marcus Lim Jing Hong. We are from RIS Year 1 Sem 3 Group 2. Today we're going to present our assignment with you guys. Scroll down please. Alright, so basically Marcus and I has been hired as a land engineer by Sri Muda Gold, Sedia Berhad, which is a new food processing manufacturing plant in Johor. We are hired to design and set up local area networks for company within this assignment. Alright, we have been provided 4 buildings and each building have their own department. The building is A, B, C and D, and each so example we'll give building A department, there are management department, administration department, finance department, IT department, marketing department and logistics department. So these are the number of hosts that have provided to us, and we have the responsibility to increase the number of hosts by 20%. And these are the calculation right beside the number of hosts. Scroll down please. Alright, moving on to the addressing design. We use the VLSM table because we need to maximize the usable of IP, and we do not want to waste any usable IP. So for example, we have a manufacturing department which is the most host number, which is 240. We have did a little bit of calculation and we end up prefix /24, subnet 255.255.255.0, subnet address 10.0.0.0, first usable host 10.0.0.1, the last usable host 10.0.0.254, and subnet broadcast address which is 10.0.0.255. Alright, these are the everything calculation that we have done for the VLSM table. Scroll down please. Alright, moving on to addressing table. Alright, for this addressing table we have quite a lot of devices that is used to connect everything, which is we have 4 routers, switches we have 15 switches, and lastly PCs we'll use 45 PCs as a reference to them. So the reason why there's a PC44 is because PC0 is counted as one PC. Please. Alright, so for example we have a router which has FA, ETH and SE. FA meaning a fast internet cable, ETH is just normal internet, and SE is a serial cable. So these are the IP addresses and subnet masks and default gateway. The reason why a router do not have default gateway is because router is a default gateway for every switches and PCs. Scroll down. All the way down. Alright, so network topology, I'll pass it to Marcus Lim Jing Hong.
So I'm Marcus and I'm going to talk about this network topology part. So as we can see, this is an outline of network topology which are designed by us, and I've separated them by the colors. So for the green color is as we can see, we have used the password encryption for the password, for the secret password and the login password. Yep. Right. And also we have done the IP configuration to make sure that the packet is sent through router to router. Yep. Okay, so this is the command line for static route for each routers. Router 0, router 1, router 2, and router 3. So I will briefly explain the IP route. This is the command for IP route. Then the first command is the subnet address. Second one is the subnet mask, and the third one is the next hop IP address. Right. So, and lastly, this is the print screen of end devices for each department. And finally, for the ping connectivity, so I have set the fixed source, which is PC0 from marketing department. The IP address is 10.0.1.254/24, and I will demo in the Cisco packet tracer for the ping connectivity. Right. So let's say I choose PC0 as a source. Of ping connectivity to show that every ping connectivity are successful. Okay, so that's all for our presentation. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.